Cause Geeta Hair, yeah, come step in my office. We need to talk. Why would you send me this bust down HD bomb body wave wig and think I wasn't gonna eat it up? What's up, SBM gang? I'm back with another slay, and it's really no shade. Shout out to my people over there at Geeta Hair. This is not my first review. I love Geeta Hair. They always send me quality. This is my boo Mariah. Y'all know I'm still new to Atlanta, so I'm always networking, meeting new girls, new baddies. And this is just a new face. I love her. I love her energy. And y'all go follow her. All her info will be in the description. Let's get into this install. They sent me an HD bust down, and this was a body wave wig. So I was like, let me just do a traditional middle part with bombshell curls. Let me just see if you pass the test. If you can eat a middle part bust down, you can eat anything, period. So we started simple. This is my first look on her, and it's just really no shade. I used my boho lace tape, the tape actually on the sides, and I used my boho active, about 3-4 layers, to melt this lace in. I'm telling you, less is more. Make sure you clean your client's skin with alcohol and skin protectant, especially if your client has makeup on before their appointment. Now, I don't necessarily condone alcohol heavy, but you know, alcohol is cute. Like, just don't overdo it because it will mess up your skin. But if you do it like cute, it's cute. Like, I just dabbed it and then I did my skin protecting, period. And the glue just laid on the skin. It dried clear. I didn't overdo it. I was doing little by little. And it gives you a stronger melt. Really no shade. I did go in and bleach these knots twice. The knots were a little bit stubborn, and I'm a scalpy guy. I like my wig scalpy. But other than that, the lace was top tier. The quality of the hair is top tier. As you guys can see, this wig was so full and shiny, and just, it was good hair. I can tell this is really good hair. Just be ready to have to bleach them knots maybe twice, especially if you like real light skin. You most likely gonna, or use 40 volume. I don't know, maybe I did it wrong first. But either way, I bleached the knots twice, and it definitely gave me my desired look. One day y'all gonna get tired of using all that hairspray to melt the lace and get all the hairs to go where y'all want. I like to use my boho lace jelly because it's lightweight, it's not heavy, it doesn't cake up over time, and it helps me comb my hairline into the direction I want it to lay, and it helps me see my vision, you know. So that's just my little secret weapon as far as melting goes. I don't really do too much hairspray because I use lace tint a lot, and when you do hairspray, that can like have your lace tint like smearing down. So I'm a jelly girl when it comes to melting and doing that second tie down. No shade. Yes, I am hairspraying my client's wig before and after I curl the hair because I want my curls to last, and they do. And that's just my secret weapon. You have to hairspray the hair before and after. Now, you don't have to use Got To Be spray. I usually use like Tresemme before because it's not as harsh on the curling iron, and then I'll use like Got To Be after and then comb it out. But it really doesn't matter. Like, hairspray is hairspray. The technique is the technique. It works pretty much with any. Nah, not that Eben shit. Don't be using that Eben spray to do this technique because that hairspray is way too hard. I think Got To Be is the strongest you need to go. And even really with Got To Be, you can use the blue and purple can. I just lost it on one of these trips. I travel so much. I don't know where that can of hairspray is. Pray for me. You guys already know my curling routine. I just wrap it around. I twist as I wrap it. I hold it for a couple seconds, and then I hold it in my hand till it cools off. I spray it, and that's how I get that bubble, real voluminous curl. No shade. I've been using the same Baby Bliss or Babyliss, however you say it, curling iron for years. Even if you don't want to use this brand, you can use the Conair, the cheap ones, the little $20 ones at the CVS's and the Walgreens. It's no shade. It's all the same stuff. But this is just my like curling iron of choice because I can get it done quick and still get a cute look. Get into the scalp. Yeah, I did light baby hairs. Like I'm really more into like the stringy baby hairs. Like I don't want to do no more big baby hairs. My last time doing big baby hairs was in my last YouTube video. I'm never doing baby hairs that big again. It's no shade. I love doing it, especially with curly hair. But like with straight hair, body wave hair, I just have to get into my less is more bag. So I literally pulled out pieces of hair, not no whole chunks for no baby hair. No shade. Like, that's the new era. And I also use my boho lace jelly to do the baby hairs. And once I get done cleaning up that part and combing out these curls, that's pretty much your final result. Once again, thank you, Geeta Hair, for slaying this wig and sending it to me, making it just so easy for me to do my bust down. I like that for you. Aw. Get into this look one more. I had to slow it down for y'all again. This is no filter. This is my raw HD camera. Get into it. Like, yeah. You see it. Yeah. Who go buy it for me? Yeah. All the info for this wig will be in the description. Shout out to my SBM gang. We're almost at 10K. Y'all better stop playing with me. Send my channel to y'all friends. Make sure if your homegirl have messed up, y'all send to my channel so they can get this tea, period. Bye, y'all. Make sure y'all show Ryan some love too. And period. Make sure y'all using the links in my bio on Instagram and TikTok to purchase boho, authentic boho, real boho, not that fake stuff. And it's no shade. Bye, y'all.